Hello everyone, it's me, your maths teacher Shivangini. So today we are going to start with a new chapter that is measurement. Measurement Measurement is a process of finding the values of the quantity. Like we can find length, weight and capacity. That is the quantity. Next. This is your inches and centimeters by which you can measure like your scale. These are some different units of measurements. You can see the instruments to measure the length, weight and capacity. By these all things you will measure some or other things. Length. To measure long distance such as distance between two cities, we use a biggest unit called kilometer. To length a long distance, we use a bigger unit called kilometer and it is written as km. Now here, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Keep this in mind, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. As you all know, 1 centimeter is from 0 to 1, right? Similarly, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Now 1 kilometer is equals to 100 meters, 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. These points you should keep in your mind. Next, exercise 11.1. Convert into centimeters. We are going to convert into centimeter. They have given you 2 meters. That means they are given you in the meters. You are going to convert it into centimeter. So you should remember 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 2 meters is equals to how many centimeters? That is 2 meter is equals to 2 into 100. You will get 200 centimeters. Next, 10 meter. So you are going to convert into centimeter. So 10 into 100 because 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 10 meter is equals to 10 into 100 centimeters. You will get the answer as 1000 centimeters. Next, 15 meters. 15 meters is equals to 15 into 100. You will get 1500 centimeter. Next, 100 meter. You have to do 100 into 100. You will get 10,000 centimeter after multiplication. Next, fifth one, they have given you 4 meter and 10 centimeter. This part is already in centimeter. They have told you to convert into centimeter. So it's already in centimeter. So you have to keep it as it is. This is in meter. So you are going to change, that is convert meters into centimeter. So 4 into 100 you have to do plus this 10 centimeter as it is. Next, 4 into 100 is 400. So 400 plus 10 centimeter, you will get the answer as 410 centimeter. Next, 5 meters 50 centimeter. This 50 centimeter you are going to keep it as it is because it's already in centimeters. So now this 5 meters you are going to convert it into centimeters. So 5 into 100 plus 50 centimeter. So you will get 500 plus 50 centimeter. You will get the answer as 550 centimeters. Next, exercise 11.2. Convert into meters and centimeters. Here you are going to convert into meters and centimeters. So as you all know, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. Okay, here they have given you 300 centimeter. So here you have to divide, that is 300 divided by 100, you will get 3 meters. Because 300 centimeter is 1 meter, then similarly 300 centimeters will be your 3 meters. Right? So, now next, 600 centimeters. Directly you can write 600 centimeters is equals to 6 meters because 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. So directly 600 centimeter will be your 6 meters. Similarly, 1000 centimeters is equals to 10 meters, because this is 10 times. So 10 meters, because 1 meter is 100 centimeter, then 2 meter will be 200, 3 meter 300, like that. 10 meter will be 1000 centimeter. Next, 4200 centimeter, so it is 42 meters. Next, 150 centimeter. Now here you have to divide 100 parts one side and another part at another side, like I have done here. That is 100 centimeter plus 50 centimeter. Here I have divided 150 as 100 centimeter plus 50 centimeters. Then 100 centimeter, as you all know, 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. So I have written 1 meter and keep this 50 centimeter as it is. So your answer is 1 meter 50 centimeter. Next, 675 centimeters. So again separate hundreds at a side and another part at a side. That is 600 centimeter plus 75 centimeters. We are dividing here, 675 apart. We are separating. Then, as you all know, 600 centimeters is equals to 6 meter. 6 meter 75 centimeter. So next, exercise 11.3. Convert into meters. Keep this in your mind. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So first one, 600 kilometers is equals to 6000 meters, because 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. Then 600 kilometers will be 6 into 1000. It will be 6000 meters. Next, 10 kilometers, which will be equal to 10 into 1000. You will get 10,000 meters. Next, 7 kilometers, which will be equal to 7 into 1000, which is 7,000 meters. Next, 2 kilometers. 2 into 1000, you will get 2000 meters. Fifth one, 3 kilometers and 500 meters. Here they have given both 3 kilometers and 500 meters, and here they have told you to convert into meters. So this is already in meters, so we are going to keep it as it is. So just convert this 3 kilometers, that is 3 into 1000 plus 500 meter, keep it as it is. Then you will get 3000 plus 500 meters. You will get the answer as 3500 meters. Next, sixth one, 8 kilometers 250 meters. This is already in meters, so keep it as it is. Now just multiply 8 into 1000. You will get 8000 plus 250 meters. So your answer will be 8250 meters. Next, exercise 11.4. Here they have told you convert kilometers and meters. Kilometers and meters. You have to keep in your mind that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. The question is 3456 meters. You are going to convert into kilometers and meters. So again you all are going to separate 3000 part aside and another part aside, separating. That is 3000 meters plus 456 meters. This is in meters, so separating 3000 meters plus 456 meters. So as you all know, 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. Similarly, 3000 meter will be your 3 kilometers. So write 3 kilometers 456 meters. So now we have converted it into kilometers and meters. Next one, 2015 meters. So again separate thousands aside and another part aside. So you'll get it as 2000 meters plus 15 meters. Then as you all know, 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. So here 2000 meters will be 2 kilometers. So 2 kilometers and 15 meter. Next, 5555 meter. So again you are going to separate thousands and another part aside. So you'll get 5000 meters plus 555 meter. So 5000 meter is nothing but 5 kilometers. Then your answer will be 5 kilometer 555 meters. Next, fourth one, 8000 meter. 8000 meter is nothing but similarly 1000 meters is equals to 1 kilometer. Then 8000 meters will be 8 kilometers. Thank you. Happy learning.